Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Just letting you guys know, giving you a quick little update on CHFJPY. So as you can see, I was in the trade earlier and we was at this candle here. So the market came down and retest entry. And as of right now, it's back in the bullish pattern. 3 straight hours and going on 4 straight hours of bullish movement. And looking like it's a good trade. Y'all see the entries? Entries was very good, pretty good. This was the best entry here. Came back down and really went against me. I think I got in here on this entry here. Came down against me. I made another entry here at this price. Consolidation pretty happened a lot. And, it went for a little bit. Came back down again. Retest both of the prices. Ran up again and see whether I want to take a profit at this point and get out my trade. I didn't. It came back down to try to put some fear in me and did that for quite a few hours. And now we on the way up now. So everything's going pretty good, y'all. Looking awesome. Strategy works very well. Got to get everything in order, organized for creating a platform that's going to allow you guys to profit with it. So, Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all.